Hey guys, so you may have remembered this car wash. I was just getting into car washes and all that stuff. One of the car washes was this. So this is going to be a video on the Autobell car wash in Sterling, Virginia. So I believe that we had gotten a $9 car wash. Someone said going through the tunnel. So that's what we're going to do again. And we had, it's called a ride through for $9. The exterior cleaning, and we had gotten this Pico. It's not really called a buff and shine. It's actually basically an automatic towel dryer, or like a chamois dryer, in which I thought it was pretty cool. And when I said the type of proto-vest dryer from Sunny's, it's one of those vest dryers that is basically keeping the brushes dry. So I'll show as much information as I need to. Again, we're going to be doing the $9 exterior cleaning, and this is a Hanna system, as you guys may remember, and I was kind of shocked to see it. So we're going to see it again. I am not going to delete the original video. However, in my collection of washes in the playlist, this is going to be my video for it. Alright guys, so now we're going through, actually this wonderful man is going to help us. This is a nice looking receipt, by the way. So the person said that the buffer is not exactly working right now. I don't know if that's true or not, but that'll be okay, because I get to see the piece of equipment again. Obviously all the Hanna equipment stuff is going to be working, so that's good. Here we go. And the person is putting the little thing that keeps helps with the back wiper. Alright, so just using my wiper for a second here. Hopefully the man doesn't see. Haha, ain't I'm a savage. So this is a Hanna system. And this is what it looks like here. It's a really nice system. Alright, so here comes the cloth curtain and the type of pre-soak. So there's a rinse and the pre-soak soap. So now we're getting our rocker panel brushes. There's 2 sets of them. There's actually sprayers down at the bottom there that I haven't really shown before. So those brushes there, and then there's the cloth back there. My favorite cloth that I used to see is right here. There's these big brushes. The big cloth is now going to turn on for us. Those are the Hanna brushes. I love this piece of equipment, guys. This cloth, I'm really fascinated at the type of like swinging action that this cloth performs. So obviously for interior, you have the windows inside. So obviously right after comes your rinse. So obviously we have the aero dry dryers, And then we have the Pico instant dry machine, which someone said it wasn't working. I'm not sure if it is actually going to work or not. What? It's actually working, guys. What? This is awesome. It's actually working. Oh, there goes my mirrors. Guys, here we are. It's drying. It's actually performing. So there's that type of dryer up there that I was talking about. This is awesome. It's actually working. Up here, let's see. So I said this was a type of proto-vest dryer, but this is actually a Pico dryer. So now it's on, and actually what I didn't see before is that the Pico dryer has that little oh, that didn't sound the best. Oh, there we go. It tells me to wait, but sometimes it's not the best. So we are out of the tunnel. So anyways, here is that. I had to quickly show it. Oh, very, very crowded here. But I don't want to stop because I know like it's tight when you get out of the tunnel. So it has the Honest Tom's Complete Auto Care. So there's a lot of auto care centers, and there's a Sunoco gas station that has a self-serve car wash. So there you go. So there's the building, and the auto care is attached. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is a retake of this Autobell car wash in Sterling, Virginia. There's other locations too that I will do later. I don't know actually. Trying to get the heck out of here. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video, and peace out. Hey guys, here's inside view of the Autobell car wash. Here's the mirror here that I was talking to you guys about. Let's check it out from the outside. I do see a car coming. Here's some TV screens, by the way. This is very cool. You see right here, these are the sprayers that I showed you guys. There goes that car too. Now, to anybody that, you know, sees this video, every car wash that I do, I appreciate everything about them. So everything is going to be a good comment about car washes. I don't want to be close to the cashier. Here comes this mirror, here it goes. That's a really cool mirror. So you can also, oh, I didn't notice these lights here. So there it goes. The mirror curtain that's going over this van here. Again, full credit to, you know, this car wash is a really cool one. I love the machines. I'm not really a full, like, so here's one cool thing that I noticed. Here's the Pico, there's the buff and dry over there. Sorry, I want to make sure that I don't like film anybody, as I am I want to be a very good man about people. But that mirror is also very interesting. So anyways, here's the aero dry dryers very close by. All the information you need is right here. This is what I saw. This is really nice. There goes the aero dry dryers, by the way. This is really cool, guys. Alright guys, and the windows end from here. Round and round the Pico logo goes. I would assume that needs to be from Sonny's. That at least a little proto-vest style thing. This is the inside of this car wash. Okay, so what I see about these Hanna brushes is that they are just these really big pieces of cloth that you put on them. I love the fact that I can see this mirror. Here's another Hanna logo, by the way. Everything tends to shake though, which I find interesting. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and peace out.